Everybody and their mother know that they need to invest. That's no secret. Everybody know that investment is the way to build wealth, but not everybody doing it. Why? Maybe it is that, we think that it's hard. We know we must do it, but we think it's hard. One of my clients recently, I sat down with him and we put pen to paper and we created an investment plan. We created a solid, traceable way for him to be able to acquire his first house, to acquire investment portfolios for his children, and for him to think about building a real estate portfolio because that's what he wanted. The thing is, he already knew he should invest. He just never knew how. And working with me, he was able to step over that barrier because we figured it out together. We sat down and I laid out the necessary steps, the strategy for him to follow. So maybe it is you're watching this and you're thinking, Keisha, no, I mean, if you invest, but I don't know what to do. Well, the answer is you need a plan. Without a plan, you cannot take action. So spend the time to create that plan. What are the specific steps? What's the specific strategy I'm going to use to achieve my goal? Because once you have a plan, you have the answers to the test. And when you have the answers to the test, you can't fail.